Welcome back, beautiful people. Crypto Evolution, thanks for joining me today. I'm here coming from Byron Bay, beautiful part of Australia if you've ever been there. Beautiful beaches, beautiful people, nice and relaxed. So I thought I'd jump on. I was noticing the Bitcoin price hit 5 figures. So we're going to jump in and have a look at the charts, get a look at a bit of the news as well. All right. Now I'll start off by firstly thanking each and every one of you who recently subscribed, or anyone who subscribed. But something I'm doing on Twitter is a giveaway. You can reach me, link is in the description there for to reach me on Twitter. Okay, but I'm actually I've just started a giveaway. That was the Ledger Nano S. Okay, we'll have a quick look here. Ledger Nano S in saffron or gold color. Okay. Now, yeah, as you can see, even Peter Schiff can win it. So it's had some great traction, to be honest. If we have a quick look at it, the tweet activity. Okay, so it's been impressions is 4,770. Okay, lots of engagement there, and beautiful, a lot of new subscribers. So if you are happy to win that, hit that like button. Okay, I can't wait to give that away. That finishes in about 5.5, 6 days. We'll go through who the winner is. And look, I am thinking of some ideas of a next giveaway after that giveaway. So if you've got any ideas, I want your comments, guys. So put it down in the comments what you'd love to see as a giveaway. Don't say Bitcoin, because I'm stacking sats, not giving them away. Okay, love you all, but you're not getting any of my Bitcoins. All right, so comment below what you'd love to see as a giveaway. Okay, and I really enjoy it. I actually want to build this community up. It seems we've got some great people here following me. So I am just a new channel, but so I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. So hit the like and subscribe button, tick that bell if you haven't already, and let's get into it, guys. Okay, so look, I do apologise to everyone. I don't have my usual setup, but you know, I'm away on holidays for a few days, so we just sort of get on and do a video. So where can we start? Look, Bitcoin's, as you know, probably know, it's hit 5 figures. It hit $10,000 US. It's not like it hasn't hit it before, but it's a very, very big psychological barrier. Okay, and I've talked about this in previous videos. I wanted to firstly see the clearing of 95.50. Okay, which we did, as you can see, and we kept going. Now, I did say then I wanted to see the clearing and the consolidation above 10,000. Okay, very important. And then my next targets are effectively 10,400 and then 11,000. We'll see how that goes. But we did go right up. As you can see, we wicked right up to $10,150. Before the sell pressure brought it back down, and since then, this is only a 15-minute chart. Okay, so each candle representing 15 minutes. It has had a bit of a sell-off. Okay, as you can see, but which always happens, guys. Now, something I don't think people are mentioning is what I'm waiting to see, and what I want to see is a healthy correction. Okay, I think it's coming, and I think we need to have it too. A decent pullback, you know, 15, 20%, 10%, something like that. Before we go make higher highs again. So we haven't seen that yet. We'll just go back to a bigger time frame. Okay, let's go to say, well, we'll have a look at the 1 hour chart, see how that's looking. So as you can see, back down here at 9100. Okay, we've had a few little sell-offs, but nothing significant, really nothing significant. So I'm expecting that. Okay, shortly. I could be wrong. Bitcoin quite often will do the opposite of what I'm thinking. So we'll see. Time will tell. But look, it's great to see, guys. As you're, you know, $10,000 Bitcoin. What normally happens here when we hit $10,000, we've seen it before, is FOMO kicks in. Okay, fear of missing out. All the big news agencies hop onto it. Bloomberg, Forbes. We start getting good media coverage, and your retail investors pile in. So certainly, if we start hitting those higher highs above 11,000 and 14,000 and so forth, and then it just becomes hysteria, mania. When we hit, you know, $20,000. To give you an idea, in the 2017 and start of 2018, when we hit 20,000 US dollars, Kraken, which is an exchange, was doing over 55,000 registrations a day. And I remember Binance at one point, which is probably the biggest exchange, you literally couldn't get your account. If you had a new account, you couldn't get approved KYC for I can't remember, it was like a week or two. It had such a backlog with all these new people getting in. So that's what happens. So wait for it. So we'll have a look at some news now too. Okay, so this story from Cointelegraph. Okay, Bitcoin price hits $10,000 for the first time in 2020, up 40% year to date. Now, data from Coinbase Exchange and Cointelegraph markets showed that shortly after 3 a.m. UTC time, Bitcoin moved to $10,000 on a high volume spike, but the digital asset quickly pulled back to $9,975. The feat of reclaiming 5 figures occurred after nearly 4-month absence. During that time, the pair traded as low as $6,400 before an abrupt bullish turnaround saw January alone deliver gains of 35%. The move to the symbolic $10,000 level, where I mentioned before that psychological level, was preceded by Bitcoin futures markets, which briefly entered the zone on February 6. Traders have been primed to expect a strong directional move, with Cointelegraph markets analyst FibFlip identifying the $9,550 as likely support. Yeah, that's where I basically said 9,520 to 9,570. Okay, so that's not a bad little article there. We'll go to another one. Now this is on basically on CZ. Okay, we'll go into this here. Again from Cointelegraph. So, mysterious Binance Cloud launching in 10 days, CEO CZ hints. Now, in a wide-ranging Ask Me Anything, or an AMA, on February 7th, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao announced big plans for the cryptocurrency exchange in 2020. One of the most imminent and least explained was the hinted arrival of a new product called Binance Cloud, which will reportedly be unveiled in the next 10 days. Now, taking Binance to the cloud. Exactly what Binance Cloud might entail was not explained, as Zhao remained tight-lipped during the AMA. However, the company is currently advertising for a senior cloud engineer to join the cloud engineering and architecture team. The position describes large-scale, massive, parallel, and highly available computer systems on the advanced cloud computing platform and requires someone who can improve, scale, and automate this business critical cloud-based architecture. See what else it says down here. There we go. Now, how this translates into a consumer product remains unclear, although seemingly the answer is just days away. So keep a lookout for that. Follow CZ on Twitter. They normally announce everything on there. So quite interesting indeed. That's all I wanted to bring you today, guys. Look, back to the charts. I just want you to sort of understand where I talked about a pullback and I'm expecting one. Don't freak out, guys. It's all about having strong hands, okay? If you've been in the market for a while, certainly if you've been here since 2017, you would have seen this before. You would have seen it rising and then taking a dump. So stay with it, guys. If you're long-term, 4 or 5 year, 10-year plan, the price really doesn't matter now, okay? What is important to remember, I'll just go to a daily chart real quick, okay? The last couple of years, we've been in a bear market, an obvious bear market. The trend's changing, guys. So like I've always said, and what a few other people say is, the trend is your friend until it's not. So if we go, sorry, I'm flicking through a few charts here. I just want to go to the weekly chart, okay? Being one candle, being a week. Can you see what's happening? So we've come down from $20,000. All right, we had the couple of year bear market. We started, well, we went up to 14,000, the blow off top. We've come back down. Look what's happening, guys. See the weekly? See that? So the trend is certainly up, okay? And if you have a look here from the bottom of the market, the trend is up, okay? So don't freak out if we have a pullback, okay? Strong hands wins at all times. So have yourself a lovely day. I'll enjoy Byron Bay. Got a beautiful cabin here. And look, I'll be back in a few days with another video. I've got a couple of deep dives I'm working on. I'm working on the Cardano deep dive, okay, XTZ or Tezos deep dive, and XRP Ripple. So thanks again, and look, like and subscribe button, tick that bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys.